What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Black Dynamite back with another one. Listen, I got something for y'all because I'm tired of seeing y'all out here with these chains. They're not blinging. But hey, listen, if I don't see you and you got a dirty chain, I'm going to show you how to clean your chain in under 5 minutes. So, yes, 5 minutes. So what we have here, so we just have pretty much 3 items to clean this chain here. Alright, I'll explain the chain in a second. So we have this ultrasonic cleaner, we have this jewelry cleaner, and we have a microfiber towel. So this ultrasonic cleaner helps you clean retainers, toothbrushes, that you can have a whole slot right here that you can clean your toothbrush. It gives that purple ultrasonic UV ray light that you can it adds to it. See how it's purple under there. 6 minutes and you turn it off. So 6 minutes timer. And then we have this here, which is the Blitz gem and jewelry cleaner concentrate. So you don't need much. You need just a couple caps full. I believe it's 4 caps full. Let's see, it's not much. Yep, shake well, pour 4 caps full of concentrate. That's all you need. And then you mix the rest with water. This stuff is good, pretty good. So I've used this already on some other chains that I've had, on my wife's chains too. And then you're just gonna get your microfiber towel. You can find that pretty much anywhere. Now, these 2 items, which I will be putting a link to these items here, so you can find them in the description on this channel. Okay, alright, so now let's explain this chain. So this is a 7.5 mm bad boy, 14 karat. Obviously, you know, Black Dynamite gonna come hard to go home. You're 14 karat. You see it stamped there. 7.5 mm. She's pretty heavy, actually very heavy, pretty solid. So yeah, it's very dirty. You may think this chain looks clean, but it's not clean at all. It looks very dull. As you can see, when a chain is clean, it's like blinging, right? I have a light on and this thing isn't blinging at all. So, you know, I'm going to show y'all pretty much how it's done. So now I'm going to follow the instructions according to this jewelry cleaner here. So now it says shake well before use. Alright, so I'm going to shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Alright, shake, 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 shake. Voila. And then it says shake well before use and pour 4 caps full of concentrate into tank. So let me go and do that. Alright, so I pour my 4 caps full. Now it's very strong. I'm not even that close to it, and I can smell it from here. It just has that jewelry cleaners smell. If you ever been to, like, you know, the jewelry shop and they put that, you get your chains clean, your rings or your bracelets, whatever. It has that distinct smell. Now, as you can see, this tank is pretty clean, right? You don't see nothing in here. Wait till you see when I'm done with this chain. I'll guarantee it's gonna be a lot of dirt and grime in this tank here. Okay, so this is my 4 caps. You see the solution is pretty clear. Alright, so now we're gonna go and put some water in there. Alright, so we got our water. Let's start pouring. So with this ultrasonic cleaner, it does have a limit that you can put in here, or it has a line, a fill line. Let's see if we can find that fill line. There it is. So it says the max right there. So you want to just put up to the max. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. And I have enough, yeah boy. Alright, so boom, filled it up to the max. Here we got it. We're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so let me plug it in. That would be the smart thing to do, or else it just won't work, right? Alright, so I plugged it in. So now, look at my chain. Okay. Look at the chain. It's so dirty. So dirty. So now we finna drop that bad boy. So we're just gonna just drop it in. Now you see it's very dirty. Right? As you look real close on the chain, chains is really supposed to have a pure gold look. Right? It's supposed to shine. It's really like, it's supposed to look sort of yellow in a sense, but this one looks very, like, you can see the grime on there. You see what I'm saying? How it just looks just dull, right? So we gotta get she right. Let's get it right. So we gotta drop it in just like this, and just drop it in your ultrasonic cleaner just like that. Okay, nothing's happening right now, but even when I just dropped it in, it looks even clean already. Alright, so let's see what it looks like in the end. So you're gonna close it, and then, oh man, you see I use this thing a lot, and then we're just gonna hit that button 3 minutes, and I'll be back. That's the sound it makes. Boom. And I'll be right back. Alright, she's done. Let's see. Open it up. Alright. See, it's a little, I can see from here this water's a little cloudy. Very cloudy. There's a lot of stuff that came off this chain. You see all that stuff at the bottom just moving around. A lot of stuff in there. A lot of grime and just whatever particles was on this chain. But you can see this is shining right now. Shining. I didn't even rinse it off yet. So usually once you're done, you're supposed to rinse it off with water. So that's what I'm gonna go and do. So give me a second. Alright, so this is what it looks like after no scrubbing. Okay, I didn't scrub this at all. Most people scrub the chains. I did not. Okay. Looks good, right? All I did was pretty much just dropped it into the solution, and this is what we got. Blinging. See that? Look at the effect. You think it was diamonds on here? No diamonds. Just shining. Look at that. Get a little close up. Rule number 1, always keep your jewelry clean. Rule number 2, keep your jewelry clean. I think it looks good. What y'all think? Hit me in the comments. What y'all think? Look at the close up of it. I think it looks good. Can't wait to put it on. Well, there you have it. Blitz jewelry cleaner. I did get this chain from Trax NYC. Shout out to Trax NYC. You heard? It's your boy Black Dynamite. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe, hit the like. Hey, listen, if you want to join my membership, I got exclusive content for you. So holla at me. I can show you how to make money on a daily. All you gotta do is join the channel. Alright, hit them like, hype points, whatever it is. Y'all just show your boy Black Dynamite some love, you heard? And I'm out.